Welcome to Great Life Zone. Did you know that your thoughts shape your body? In this video, I want to share with you about how to use the law of attraction for weight loss, including the law of attraction steps and techniques for weight loss. Excess weight is an indication that your body, mind, emotions, and soul are not in sync. You may also say that they are not in harmony with the universe. It is a sign that you are not getting the love. You do not love yourself and you are not grateful for you and your body. When you look in the mirror, if you don't like what you see or you have negative emotions like feeling sad, upset or unhappy, you are generating negative thoughts. Your negative thoughts are sending out vibrations to the universe which will only cause you to have difficulty losing weight. Perhaps it can also cause you to gain weight. It would be helpful to keep in mind that love and gratitude are powerful methods to activate law of attraction for weight loss. The idea of being grateful and loving yourself is to undo whatever has manifested in your life due to negative thoughts. Applying the techniques of law of attraction can help you manifest the right body you desire. They can help you lose weight fast, melt inches from your waist, and transform your body. The law of attraction basically states that whatever gets in your mind and stays there, you will attract it in your life. Remember that your mind is like a magnet. That's the law of attraction. Well, as believers we call it Proverbs 23:7, whatever a man thinks in his heart, so does he become. In other words, what you think about, you bring about. Actually, here is the thing. God will go to work to fight your battles, but you have to express gratitude, praise, and thanksgiving. Although this video is specifically on weight loss issues, but frankly, it can be applied to whatever battle you are facing. Are you fighting a financial battle, a legal battle, a health battle, a marital battle? Whatever it is, the law of attraction is simply expressing gratitude for what you want. Gratitude is the key. So here are a few tips that you can apply to get the law of attraction give you the weight loss. Number 1, visualization. First, start by deciding what you want to look like. If you have an earlier picture of yourself when you looked your best, then that's the image you want to keep before your eyes. If you don't have one, find a picture of your ideal body using a good software. Cut off head of the person in the picture and put your head on the top, figuratively speaking. Number 2, watch your thoughts and words. Next, guard your mouth. What goes in your mouth is nearly as important as what's coming out of your mouth. Overeating is not nearly as detrimental to your weight goal as complaints are. Resolve to not let one negative word come out of your mouth about your body again. I agree with you. I know it's not easy. We all have the tendency to look in the mirror and just start to feel disgusted. Whatever be the situation, don't voice it. Remember, your words are powerful and they have a way of keeping you trapped into the very thing you don't want. Number 3, make a shift from complaints to gratitude. Trade all those complaints for praise and thanksgiving for where you are headed. You are giving God something to work with, and He responds to a grateful heart. He loves to hear your faith expressed through gratitude. Let me share with you a blunt truth. All the weight loss books, the fitness equipment, they won't change a thing until you first watch your words. This step is powerful and amazing. Having that power clarifies the goal, frees the clutter in the mind, and fuels you to go forward. I believe that. I have found that it is so easy for us to complain without even realizing we are doing so. It is recommended that you go through the gratitude affirmation videos on this channel. Do these affirmations at least 3 times to fully appreciate the power in the attitude of gratitude. Also, I have provided for you a free downloadable PDF that will help you gain more insight about the power of mind. You will find the link in the description box below. Here is an interesting exercise in gratitude. Pick up your mobile and text 3 people that you are thankful for something they have done or been doing for you. Just tell them how much you appreciate them. It has been proven that you will feel better about yourself after doing that than they even will. Of course, I truly believe gratitude is going to open doors for you that no man can shut. I hope that as you invest in yourself, you are reactivated and you are catapulted to live your dreams. I hope you will find this video useful and interesting. You may like to read the detailed article with more suggestions and information on the subject. We have given the link in the description box below. Please do share and like this video. I would also urge you to visit our website powerfulmoneyaffirmations.com and also do get connected with us on social media. The links to our social media pages are on your screen now. We keep putting useful videos and articles on our website and also on Facebook page. We would love to see your comments, suggestions and experiences. For more videos in future, please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.